Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you. Yesterday in night I uploaded one video on our channel. Goldman Sachs exam result is declared. There are a lot of confusion, doubt related to result, pre-placement query, what is coursework, what is pre-placement talk, you are shortlisted or not. We will discuss about each and everything. Like and share the video. All videos are for all of you. One most important point that I have to mention, they clearly mention here engineering analyst campus hiring program next step. Okay, they are sharing the next step with us. Okay, they mention thank you for attending the engineering analyst campus hiring program. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि ठीक है आपने टेस्ट को अटेंड कर लिया, you have attended the test. As the next step, you will have the opportunity to hear about Goldman Sachs from senior leadership at pre-placement talk schedule on Friday, April 4-5. ओके, इस लाइन का क्या मतलब होता है? वॉट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लाइन? एज अ नेक्स्ट स्टेप यू हैव अपॉर्चुनिटी टू हियर. ओके, सो हमारे पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. सो द थिंग इज दे क्लियरली मेंशन दे यू हैव अपॉर्चुनिटी टू हियर अबाउट गोल्डमैन. Details of pre-placement talk will be shared with test shortlisted candidate closer to date. Fine. Okay, what they mention, if you are shortlisted candidate, so they will share the details with you that is related to pre-placement talk. So now there are two type of condition arise here. What two type of condition? First of all, one most important point, many of the candidates they commented on our video that they received this kind of mail. Some of the candidate mentioned they not received this kind of mail. Okay, so the thing is there is lot of confusion. So यहाँ पर confuse नहीं होना है. So the thing is we have group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. You can see on my screen many of the candidate mentioned they not receive any kind of mail from the Goldman Sachs. Still they not receive this type of mail as well. Okay, so there are two type of condition. कैंडिडेट्स को ये मेल रिसीव भी हुआ है, कैंडिडेट्स को ये मेल बिल्कुल भी रिसीव नहीं हुआ है. ओके, दे नॉट रिसीव एनी काइंड ऑफ मेल फ्रॉम द गोल्डमैन सैच टीम. So now there are two type of condition that I am mentioning. First is it is a reminder mail. Okay, suppose we are thinking that if all of the candidates are receiving this type of mail, means not all of the candidate, we can say that most of the candidate. Okay, ज़्यादा candidates को ये mail आ रहा है, so ये एक type का reminder है कि thank you आपने attend किया है test को, बहुत अच्छी बात है. And second condition is that if you are shortlisted candidate, so you will receive pre-placement talk mail. और उन्होंने यहाँ पर क्या बोला है, 4th अप्रैल को आपका प्री प्लेसमेंट टॉक जो है वो शेड्यूल हुआ है. सो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली बाय टुडे लाइक 2 अप्रैल और बाय टुमारो 3 अप्रैल वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट द मेल फ्रॉम द गोल्डमैन सैच टीम दैट इज रिलेटेड टू प्री प्लेसमेंट टॉक. सो यहाँ पर अभी दो ही कंडीशन अराइज हो रही है. देखो गाइस, कुछ भी हो सकता है. वी आर हियर फॉर गिविंग द इंफॉर्मेशन टू ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, हम आप सभी के साथ यहाँ पर इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर रहे हैं. द थिंग इज देयर आर मल्टीपल कंडीशंस बिफोर द एग्जामिनेशन रिजल्ट. ओके, सो दो ही कंडीशन है. या तो ये कैंडिडेट्स को, सभी को कैंडिडेट्स को आ रहा है, वो कैंडिडेट शॉर्ट लिस्टेड भी हो सकते हैं. और सेकेंड थिंग, या सिर्फ ये उन्हीं कैंडिडेट्स को आएगा. उन्होंने बताया है कि प्री प्लेसमेंट टॉक का जो मेल है वो सिर्फ शॉर्टलिस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स के साथ भेजा जाएगा. ओके, सो द मेन पॉइंट्स अराइज हियर दैट इफ यू आर शॉर्टलिस्टेड you will receive the update by tomorrow. Okay, most probably they clearly mention closure to date. Okay, and one most important point मैं आपको यहाँ पर कहूँगा, in case of any of the further question you can directly contact with the Goldman Sachs team. They will guide you towards this mail. That is most important thing. यहाँ पर दो ही condition हो सकती है. Okay, so let's wait and let's hope for the best. If most candidate received this mail, so हम तो यही चाहेंगे कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कैंडिडेट शॉर्टलिस्ट हो. ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ कुछ ही कैंडिडेट शॉर्टलिस्ट हो और बाकी कैंडिडेट्स को मौका नहीं मिले. So that is the most important point and that is our most important motto or aim we can say. Okay, कि candidates को mail आए. So let's discuss about, like, first of all 14 hours ago when I uploaded the video, clearly I mentioned, hi everyone, I mentioned in last that we are not sure if you shortlisted, so you will receive pre-placement talk as closure to date, and they mentioned this line, you will have opportunity to hear. So let's wait for the next update and thanks. If you watch our complete video, so on the 2:49 timestamp I clearly mentioned, if you receive the details of pre-placement talk, definitely you will clear the examination test. Okay, or you are shortlisted candidates. So यहाँ पर अब कोई confusion का दायरा नहीं है. The thing is if you are shortlisted candidate, you will receive the mail by 3rd April. No need to worry about that guys, and let's hope for the best. Okay, यहाँ पर हमें यही सोचना है कि हमने अच्छे से एग्जाम क्रैक की है, सो हमें शॉर्टलिस्ट होना है. So that's the most important thing. What about the pre-placement talk? So in tomorrow, like in 4th April pre-placement talk, most probably in pre-placement talk, like on 4th April, they will guide you related to company guidelines. Okay, like they will guide you related to company guidelines most probably, like कि कंपनी में क्या सारी चीज़ें होती है, एंड व्हाट अबाउट योर रोल, व्हाट अबाउट द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स रिलेटेड टू द here. Okay, they will guide you related to eligibility, they will share the steps related to CTC, or we can say that they will share the complete process of Goldman Sachs. Okay, what are the next steps related to your assessment, what are the next steps related to your interview. They will share these details in the pre-placement talk. Okay, most probably. And after pre-placement talk, there is one most important point, like we know that there is a registration, there is aptitude test, coursework is in the April, means in this month. Technical test is also scheduled in this month. Interview is also scheduled in this month. After that, next month April, my offer rollout will be there. So total 3 parts will be there in April month. So what is coursework? They will provide some general course on one of the platform, example DSA course on Coursera. They will give some links to prepare for course. It's related to preparation before technical test, coding and technical MCQ. Suppose you are not good at coding, or we can say that suppose you are not good at technical MCQ, so they are giving you coursework. Okay, or we can say that they will provide you some general course in which you have to prepare for the coding and the technical MCQ before your actual technical test. Okay, so it is related to preparation, and this is the coursework most probably. Okay, so one most important point, I think totally depends on them whether they will share the coursework details in the pre-placement talk or not. Okay, totally depends on them guys कि pre-placement talk में वो coursework के बारे में बताते हैं, technical test interview के बारे में, but most probably they have to give. In the technical test, there is a coding examination, there is a technical MCQ was there. Definitely we will discuss about the technical exam in the detail. Okay, and ये कुछ experience है, you can check out this experience. Like in the coding round, there is a 2 section and all section is mandatory, 2 programming question and duration is 30 minutes. The computer science section is 10 MCQ and duration is 20 minutes. Okay, so the thing is there is a technical test also, so you have to prepare, and after that interview round 1, round 2 and round 3 will be there. So candidate also received offer letter on 15th December 23, so you can check out this experience. Definitely it will very helpful for everyone, and I hope you like the video. यहाँ पर सारी चीज़ें क्लियर हो गई है. Let's hope for the best. Okay, हमें हमेशा पॉजिटिव चीज़ें ही सोचनी चाहिए कि हमने एग्ज़ाम क्रैक की है और हमें नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स का मेल आएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.